Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one best website, the eye-paying website ever. I mentioned for you all. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and let's get started. This is the website. This website link available in description. This website pay you 100% of the commission lifetime reward for inviting one friend or multiple friends. This website is a new right now. I have this much user, this much coin earn it, and this much withdrawal taking from this website. Okay, the registration is very easy. Just click register, put your username, just put your email, password, and confirm password. Just click solve the captcha. You can change your captcha, any captcha you want. Just click get started. You will be register yourself. I have already account. Just I click login. I solve a little captcha. Then I show you how you can earn from this website. Okay, now we are in our website. Okay, you can see this website have 100% of the commission, and soon will be this website pay 25 more cryptocurrency and added express crypto too in this website. Okay, and this is one of the best website, and I share with you the withdrawal proof. The minimum withdrawal is 5 coin. Maybe you earn 1 coin, you will be withdraw in your Faucet pay instantly. This is one of the best website. The first way is achievements. Okay, I share with you the achievements this website pay. Okay, if you watch 5 ads, this website pay you 5 coin and 5 energy. I show you how you can use your energy. If you complete this much Faucet claim, you will be earn this much coin and this much energy, and completed all of these, and you can earn much more coin and much more energy from this website. And this is one of the best. This is achievement. This will be updated every day, and you can come here every day, complete this all. The first one is unlimited claim. This website have unlimited claim with 0 minute. Okay, pay you 5 coin. If you earn from just this one, you will be earn much more Litecoin from this website or any cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. And this website pay you unlimited time claim. This is very easy. Okay, just first solve this little captcha. Is it 2, 6, and 8? Just solve this captcha. In the club, just come down and just click get reward. Okay, sorry, I click advertisement. Just click get reward. Okay, this website pay you your balance and you can claim again. This is very fast website ever I seen to pay you like this one, and you can easily make much more from here. You can solve much more time, unlimited time, no limit. This website as just come here, just click get reward, and you can earn your free reward. Okay, that's it. The next one is how to claim. Should I show you how to claim after I earn my energy? Right now I didn't have energy in here. You can earn your free energy from sponsor link or Shortlinks. 26 Shortlinks available in here. You can earn this much coin and this much energy from this all Shortlinks. Just I click one of the Shortlinks to show you how you can earn from the Shortlinks. Just click it. Please wait to open the Shortlink. Okay, after reloading the Shortlink, just click this one. Okay, please wait few seconds. Okay, now you can see, just tell you please solve a captcha. You can come down, just solve this little captcha first. After solving the captcha, just click here to continue. Okay, that's too easy. Just wait 10 seconds. After 10 seconds you can get your link. Okay, just I pause the video. After 10 seconds I come back. Okay, now you can see, just I click get link. Okay, and this will be reload the page and pay you your coin and your energy, okay, to your balance. And you can see this much coin this website pay me. And you can use your energy. I go to dashboard to show you I have 50 energy and 100 coin right now, and I can withdraw. Just I show you after the finishing all the steps. You can go to auto claim, just click it, and this will be automatically pay you 3 coin every 1 energy. Maybe just I wait for 1 will be finished, then we can calculate how much coin pay me to 1 energy. Okay, just I pause the video, and you can see you earn 3 coin. Okay, this will be take 50 10 maybe 10 energy, pay you 3 coin. Okay, if you earn all of the energy, pay you much more coin. The next step is task. You can complete the task and you can earn your cryptocurrency. You can see available task. Go to this website and make this much SAR for this website, and you can earn this much coin. Okay, and you can go to Faucet pay, make a like, make a comment, you can earn this much coin. An official Telegram link, join it, and you can earn this much coin. Okay, just complete the task and you can earn your free coin. The next one is the visit Shortlinks PTC ads. Sorry, you can visit all advertisement available in here. Right now the advertisement is 5. After few days this will be increased. Okay, and this will be paying you much more. Just I watch all the advertisement, I come back and I show you one of the advertisement. This one is timer is 50 seconds. Just click the advertisement and wait for this ad for 50 seconds. Okay, you can see in the top. I just pause the video, and after completing the timer will be complete. You complete the Shortlinks and just click profile. Okay, this website pay you your coin. Okay, easily. You can visit our Shortlinks, you can earn much more. Sorry, PTC ads. The next one is the buy lottery. Okay, this website have a lottery contest, but right now no one come here because this will be activate after this website reaching the much more users. Okay, the next step is advertisement. This will be for that people to come here, make advertisement video and make advertisement website, make advertisement things. This will be every person to watch. This duration is a 50 second. Pay you pay them to per watch is 3 coin. This least, this is one of the best website. I pay much more Litecoin for other website too, and this website is one of the best. Okay, you can earn much more. You can increase it, you can decrease it, anyone you want. Okay, after I will be the first person to deposit to this website. Okay, I will be share with you in the next video. I want to deposit for the first person in this website. Okay, and the next step is deposit. You can deposit your funds directly to this person. Calculate Bitcoin value. You can calculate it and you can put your amount after the coin will be received. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free with earning websites, but I share with you one last thing, the withdrawal proof. Okay, right now I put my Litecoin wallet orders. Just I click withdraw. Every coin pay me 1 Satoshi. This website pay you instantly. You can see this is my Litecoin. Just I reload, and you can see this will be increased, and you can see this is the withdrawal proof of this website. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free with earning websites, and bye bye for now.